Good morning, Desert Hills Middle School. I just wanted to show you a new reading app that we have at our school that is absolutely free. Any teacher, student, or staff member can use this. It is super easy. You also can use it from a desktop computer, a Chromebook, or your smartphone. So first thing you want to do, I'm going to show you what it looks like on a desktop computer, but it's basically the same thing on your smartphone. You're going to go to soraapp.com. Just like this, and if you see this image, you know that you have come to the right place. This is also what the app looks like in the App Store. When you get here, right now it shows my school is Washington County School District. It may not come up that way, so I'm going to show you in some respect you might have to search for your school. You want to make sure that you search for Washington County School District. And let's see if it's got it just... it's got some of the schools listed, but for us, it's going to be Washington County School. So right here, I put it in, and it's going to come up, and it's going to say sign in using your Washington County School District information. And all you have to do is use your school Gmail account. That's how it's hooked in as far as teachers, staff, and students. So this is my email. And then you come here and you put in your email password, just like you would if you were getting onto Canvas or anywhere else. And then it's going to redirect you to our Washington County School District site. We have thousands of books on here, and I'll show you a couple of things you can do. You can look at different collections, and as you'll notice, you'll see available now, classics, comics, most popular. These are brand new audiobook editions. A lot of students like this to be able to listen to an audiobook because they can go to the doctor or maybe be in the car with their parents, and they just plug this in either to their jack, or they plug it into their smartphone and listen. You'll know it's an audiobook if it has a little headphone here. If we want to go back to our collections, let's see what else they have. We have Read Before You Watch, meaning those are going to be books that are made into movies. So I'll just click on that so you can kind of see what there is available. If you want to borrow it, this little borrow sign is going to be lit up if it's available. So let's go ahead and try this Red Queen. I'm going to click borrow, and then slowly but surely it's going to pull the book up in my browser. And all you have to do is go from page to page, click right to left, and it will take you right to the book on the device that you're at. You do have to have Wi-Fi in order to do this. So if you are a student who maybe parents don't give access to Wi-Fi, you can download the book so that you have access when you are in places where you cannot access Wi-Fi. Anyway, this is a great resource. We have anything from kindergarten all the way up to college level reading on here. If there are books that students want, teachers want, let me know and I would be happy to order books for you. We also have our book club book on here. So if you can't find it in the library, check on our Sora. So one last time, go look at the Sora app. You can look at it on your computer or download the app on your smartphone. It is all absolutely free. One other thing, there are no late fees, and you can have up to 5 books at one time. So if you like to read, this is where you want to go. All right, guys, hope you enjoy this. Please use it. Come and ask me questions if you can't get it downloaded on your phone, and hope you have a great day.